Hi guys, so we have already issued version 2 of our RNR token like mentioned in our discussions a while back. In case you missed it, the reason why we have to do this is because the first version of the token was issued back in the very early days of native tokens on Cardano, and at that time there was still no specification about how to handle decimals or fractions of one token. So our first version didn't have decimal digits, and it was also issued without a cap on its maximum supply. This version 2 now has 6 decimal digits, and its supply is hard capped at 69 million. Now in this video, I'll show you how to convert your old RNR tokens to this new version. You basically just have to send 2 ADA with your old RNR to this converter address. I'll also put this address in the video description so you can easily copy and paste it. Please note that the 2 ADA here guys is important. This will be sent back to you together with your new RNR tokens, less the blockchain transaction fee of course. If you send only your old RNR without at least 2 ADA with it, it will just be burned and nothing will be sent back to you. Now, at the time I recorded this video, Yoroi doesn't allow us to specify the ADA amount when sending native tokens. It just automatically sets the ADA amount to the minimum required to send the tokens, which is less than 2 ADA. So don't use Yoroi for this or any other wallet app that does not let you set both ADA and token amounts in your transaction. Instead, I recommend using Typhon Wallet, which is a much better alternative to Yoroi. You just need to restore your wallet account in either their web app or the browser extension. In this demo, I'll be using the browser extension of Typhon. By the way, check that you are accessing the correct website. Its address is typhonwallet.io. That's Typhon with only one O and not Typhoon. Okay. From here, I'll click Download Extension. Then I'll select the appropriate one for my browser. This will take me to the Chrome Web Store where I'll just have to click Add to Brave here, like any other browser extension. Then click Add Extension on this confirmation prompt. And now the extension is already installed. You can see that from here in the address bar. On this welcome page, I'm given the option to either create a new wallet account or import an existing one. And you can see here that you can also use your hardware wallets on this app. What I'll do in this demo is import one of my existing wallets that still has some old RNR tokens. I'll give it the name DIDA3 since this is originally from my Daedalus app. And I'll have to set the password here, which will be required when I log back into this wallet account on this app. Then of course, agree to the terms of use and continue. Now I'll have to enter my recovery phrase here. You have the option to enter your phrase word by word here like this, but I find it more convenient to just copy paste mine in one go by turning on this Pro option down here. Now I can just paste my mnemonic phrase here and then click Unlock Wallet. Next, I am presented with these two options. One is this single address wallet, which means the app will only check the first address derived from my mnemonic phrase. It will monitor only the transactions on that address and will not check the transactions and balances on the others. And if you have used Yoroi or Daedalus before, you must be already familiar with one wallet account having multiple different addresses. That kind of wallet is what we call the HD wallet. Now, since I'm importing an account that was previously used in Daedalus and I know that I have balances in multiple addresses in this account, I'll select HD wallet here. If you're coming from Yoroi, this is also the option you want to choose. And here we are. In just a few seconds, my account is now fully imported into this app. Now, let's proceed to sending my old RNR tokens to the converter address. Just from here on the home page of the app, be sure that you have selected the Send ADA and Tokens tab here. First, let me enter the designated address here. For the amount, this means the amount in ADA. Again, I only need to send 2 ADA. And then I'm gonna add my old RNR tokens here by clicking on Add Tokens. You'll see here that I have a few tokens aside from RNR, and I actually even have both the old RNR and the new version. And I can tell which one is which just by looking at their decimal digits. The new version has all these 6 decimal digits while the old one has none. So I'll click on the plus button on this one, which is the old RNR that I want to convert. Then here, I'll just click set maximum because I want all of this to be converted. Then click add. And then this other add button. Now you'll see here that I have one native token that is set to be sent with these two ADA here. Finally, I'll just have to click send here and then confirm. Enter my password here and then confirm again. And then wait for a bit for my transaction to be finalized, to be included in a block. After that, it will only take somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes for the RNR to be received back into my wallet. And that's just it, guys. If your new RNR tokens don't arrive within 5 minutes, first check that you did everything right. That means you sent your RNR to the correct address and that you sent at least 2 ADA along with it. If you're sure there are no mistakes, just let me know on Telegram so I can check what happened in the back end. By the way, this Typhon Wallet only has the web app and the Chrome browser extension for now. No Android and iOS apps yet. So if you're doing this on mobile, you'll have to use the web app through your browser. And as to the RNR token itself, we continue building its value both through its utility and through the additional rewards that you'll get just from holding it. A couple examples right now are these items you'll see on the token's new website, rnrtoken.io. Right now, we just recently started operating a validator node for the Umbrella Oracle network. We have also already reserved an Earth node to operate in the World Mobile Network. A portion of our earnings here in UMB tokens and later on WMT tokens here also will be distributed to the holders of RNR tokens sometime very soon. We should be able to start distributing the UMB tokens within the first half of next year, 2022. So just keep collecting those RNR tokens for now. As of recording this video, the only way to get RNR is by earning it through staking ADA with PHROC stake pool. But we have a pending application for listing with MuliSwap. And when that is accepted, you guys can then buy and sell your RNR tokens on MuliSwap or MuesleSwap. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Alright, that's it for now, guys. We still have a lot of work to do for this project.